Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Box. Tracy here, and as you can see I have a little order to unbox, so I'm just going to get this out. I don't think I've loosened my, it's just my address actually. I don't think I've loosened my packaging. I thought it was a delivery note. Maybe that is on the inside. Okay, so how to get in. I had a knife somewhere. I think we'll try to manage with the scissors then. We'll maybe get in. It's very sturdy, that's the only thing. Very stiff tape. Anyway, while I'm struggling, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, nearly there from one side. Just make a start on it. Piece of card attacked me. Right, okay. Plastic's in the way of me getting in any further than there with me. Little snip. And nearly there. It's hard work, it's like a workout. Who needs the gym? Just order from craft suppliers is good enough. Okay, need to try and, there we go. Yes, we're in. Okay, so this should be some goodies from Tulip. It is. Whoops, sorry about that, knocking you about. There's my inventory to check it off against later. Now I did go out of stock of rather a lot of Tulip goodies, so I've ordered some more. So I've got sets of crochet hooks. I didn't go mad. I had that one. I had the red one last time, so I've got the rose Etimos. And once again back in stock are the I-cord knitters. Now I don't have another box to put these in, so I've got like some individual hooks, lots of paper. Last time I didn't check what was in the bottom and I missed some stuff, so but I've got quite a few of these. This should have taken up most of the place in the box, because it was basically I-cord knitters that I really needed, because these just go so quickly. As soon as I get them in, they're gone. I should have took the opportunity, I suppose, to order more this time round, because I did have a nice Easter promotion from them. As this one, I didn't like the Velcro on this one. Bubble wrap, sorry, it was a bit tatty. Most of them come nice and neat, but that one seemed a little tatty, I'm sorry. They just can't help yourself, can you? So here they are. These are the I-cord knitters. I absolutely love mine. And yeah, so as soon as I get them in, they're out of stock. So that's, I think they are the best brand, that's why. The others, the I-cord knitters of, I think there's one called the Egg. They're all kind of inferior to this. The Tulip one is by far the best one. I do have a little tutorial for this, because when I got mine, I did mine for the first time on camera, and I thought if I can do it first time without really looking at anything, then it must be easy. So that's what I did it. But you can make bag handles, you can make lettering, you can make animals' tails and anything really. It's really an amazing little thing. So yeah, this is the rose set, which, believe it or not, is very strangely more expensive than the red. Now the Tulip red hooks are the most expensive ones, but the rose set is more expensive than the red. Makes no sense to me, but I love the rose one. The rose, bear with me a sec, there we are. The rose is my favourite of all of the hooks. I like the shiny silver top, and if I have to, grab a hook. It's 9 times out of 10 I will grab a rose, because if I'm going to be doing a project I want to be quick on, then this is very slippy for me. The reds are just as good. They're lovely. And so are the originals. So I've got individual ones that were out of stock. I couldn't get all of the ones that I wanted because they had limited stock, and I've got individual reds. I love the reds. You can probably see I use them a lot, and I got the original gold ones, which they've started now for some reason calling them dark. I'm just at it again. They started calling them darks rather than gold, which is a bit weird. But this is I suddenly had a run on these sets, and so I didn't get loads, but I can always reorder, so that's no problem. Funnily enough, it's actually a much heavier set. So whether, let's count them, you get 6, 7, 8, 9. No, you don't. You get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That'll be why. There's more hooks in here than there is in the others. So that'll be why then. That explains it. I should have thought about that. But there's a lot of hooks in this one. It's all the hooks you might ever use. And you get a case, a darning needle, and a pair of scissors. So, yeah. And this one you also get a pair of scissors and a case. And I don't need the Velcro. I keep calling it Velcro for some bizarre reason. You get the scissors, you get a little measuring tape, and you get the darning needle there. I think you can see there is a darning needle in there. Does it look like it? Looks like there's more than one, but no, there is one. There's one there. And you get a little zippy part in your case. So yeah, sometimes these are more ornate scissors. Sometimes they've got kind of engraving on them. Sometimes they're not. They're kind of plain like those ones. But they're scissors. And yeah, that's my tulip order. So yeah, they never have all of the hook sizes that I need or want. There's always some. So next time I order, hopefully they'll be in and I'll be able to restock all of them. But you know, by far and above, they are my favourite hooks. Now, I did buy the new what are they called, Mellow, the Knit Pro Mellow hooks. They are walnut and a bronze colour, and I've been using those to test them out, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. I've got a set for myself. They're here somewhere, and bear with me, I'll show them and bake. So yeah, here they are. They come in this box, which they don't show on the actual illustrations. They only show the case, because inside the box, which is magnetic, is a case. And once you take the case out, you have a case that is magnetic. And in the case you get a little velvet, as you can see, I've not put them all back, a little velvet card where you can insert your hooks. They are gorgeous. And here they are. So these are equally as beautiful, and I think I've still got one in stock, but I did sell out nearly, so I will get some more very soon. So there's the hooks that I've been using so far in there. And then in the back you have this, which is a tape measure. It's so cute. It's a little squishy one, and then when you press your squishy, it will zip back in, and you get a pair of scissors which fold up, and they're so cute. They are really, really cute. Then you get a little bronze coloured sewing needle, and you get some stitch markers in there as well. So that is a really good little set. As I say, this is my one, but I think I've only got one left now for the ones that I bought, but I will get some more. They are gorgeous and they are lovely to work with. I don't like many hooks, you know. I get a bit once I get into a brand of hooks like the Tulip, the very first time I picked up a Tulip hook, I wasn't keen. I thought it's too slippy, I keep losing my stitch, but it was because they were enabling me to go really, really fast. So once I got used to them, I'll always go for them now. I'll try whenever I am going to do a project, I'll grab that hook. But these are inline and they are absolutely fabulous. So I think these will just be, these will be as equal in terms of my favourites. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using these. I love them. So yeah, I've been getting lots of lovely crochet hooks lately, and also the Lantern Moon ones that I got, they are beautiful. They're ebony and they really slip well too. I did have one on its own, which may be up here. Here it is. This was one I got, it was a little spare just to try it. These are beautiful. They're kind of ebony. Those ones are walnut and kind of a copper, but this was wood, so I wanted to see how it is. They're so silky smooth. They really do slip. They are beautiful. So I've got Lantern Moon. I've also got some interchangeable knitting needles and Tunisian hooks in the Lantern Moon. So I've been getting lots of more accessories lately. I also bought a Carrie T set of Tunisian. They are tulips. I haven't used them yet. I will do, but it's been busy with Easter, so I haven't had the chance to get them out and play with them yet, but I will do because I want to do some Tunisian. But that is my tulip unboxing and a little hello from Mellow. They are beautiful though, they really are. All of them, these are all my favourite hooks. Every single one of these I've used and can tell you, hand on heart, they are fantastic. But so that would take me a little while to upload. Not so much the tulips because most of them are restock. But I just unboxed some yarn which I've got to, you know, get new listings put up. But these are just a matter of putting them back into stock when they're sold out. So they won't be too bad, but they're not there at this precise moment in time. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And as I said, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And well, I've got my work cut out for me. Not only have I got to upload them all or put them in stock, I've got to go and put them all away. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.